Okay, let's try something different.
Hi, and welcome to Dollars and Cents Online. My name is Ashley, and today we will be looking at an app called Drop. And it's an app where you can earn rewards and save money from shopping when you go out dining, hotels, anything where you use your card that you have linked to this app. You have the potential of getting cash rewards. So this is what it looks like within the App Store. It's by Drop Loyalty Inc. It's rated E for everyone. It has a 3.8 star rating from 4,043 people rating it. It's been downloaded 500,000 times, at least 500,000 times. And so I'm going to go ahead and open the app up. This is what it looks like before you sign in. It says earn cash rewards, shop with your favorite brands, and earn cash rewards automatically. And it's automatically because you will have your card linked. So whenever you use your card at a place that they partner with, they will automatically give you those cash rewards back without you having to upload a receipt or go online and do anything. Simply shop as usual. Just use your everyday card. Drop works in the background to reward you, which is what I was just discussing. You treat yourself. Use these points you earn towards cash rewards at your favorite stores. And you can see some that they partner with: Amazon, Best Buy, Domino's, Instacart, Lyft, Aeropostale, Safeway, Nike, Trader Joe's, Nordstrom, Whole Foods, AMC, Costco, Gap, Starbucks, Sephora, H&M. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. All of your favorite brands: Adidas, Walmart, Uber. You can't go wrong with using this app. And this right here is showing you the recent times that people have redeemed what they've earned back. So it's showing 10 minutes ago, $50 was redeemed from Nike, and so forth and so on. Hopefully this is true information. There's no way that we can verify that. But if you haven't heard of Drop before, of course, you're going to be joining Drop. So you would click on Join Drop at the bottom left. Welcome to Drop. You're one step closer to earning rewards. You can sign up with Facebook by clicking that blue button, or you can sign up with your email by clicking that link below. It's going to ask you what your email is. And once you go ahead and do that, you will click on next and go through the process of signing up to become part of Drop. I've already signed up, so I'm going to go into sign in. It says welcome back, sign in to start earning rewards. I signed in with my email, so I'm going to put in my information now. This is what the app looks like once you go ahead and put in your username and password and sign in. It shows that you can browse. It says boosted offers. You can earn 2 times the normal amount of points. And it says Dollar Shave Club is offering 10,000 points, 30 points per dollar at Sur La Table, so forth and so on. Recommended for you. They have some companies here listed. You can see all their influencer picks. You can see all of those. New to Drop, you can see some of the companies that have a new partnership with them. You can see all on there. They have a collection section. It says the best deals for DIYs, home sweet home, the tastiest deals for feel-good meals, and so forth and so on. Just like categories, but not categories. I don't know what you would want to call that. I don't know if I would want to call it collections, but I guess that is a suitable name for it. Then you can see their apparel partners. You can see all of those. Their food and grocery partners. You can earn with integrations. So if you integrate with Rocket Miles, so it says book hotels on Rocket Miles and earn 10,000 to 100,000 in drop points per night every time. I have not done anything with that. That's the only thing underneath that, so I'm not sure. I have not even heard of Rocket Miles before. If you have, then that probably makes a little bit more sense to you. They have an entertainment section, pet care, finances, health and wellness, home and tech, personal care, footwear and accessories, travel. They have some highlights. I mean, the page just goes on and on and on. Specialty and gifting. Then you can browse categories. Everything that it had that we just saw on this page, there's the link down here at the bottom for you to be able to jump back to a section you were in, I suppose, if you wanted to, instead of having to scroll back up to it. So this is all under, if you look at the bottom navigation. This is all under browse. If you go to my offers, it shows you companies that you listed that you shop from. Ones that I listed when I was joining Drop was Macy's, Target, Urban Outfitters, Bath and Body Works, Walgreens. They make you pick companies that you would want to see cashback opportunities from. Those are the ones that I picked. They made you pick 5 of them. So those are the ones that I picked. So it says that if I link a card, because I picked these 5, anytime that I use my card at these 5 places, I will automatically earn points. I don't have a card linked because I found out after downloading the app, doing all of this, joining it, that my credit union does not partner with them, so I can't link my card because I also can't link PayPal to it either. So the only downside to this app is if they don't partner with your bank, you're not able to link your card with them to be able to get your cashback rewards, but it's definitely worth it to download it and see. Then it says it has some mobile offers. You can complete your profile. It'll tell you what you need to do in order to complete it. Of course, I don't have a card on here, so I'm not earning any points with my card, and my profile isn't complete without the card on there. And you can look and see the offer history. At the top, it says supercharge in progress. Spend 5 times to unlock bonus points. So if you spend 5 times, you'll start getting addition, like the amount of points that you can get back will be increased. Let's go to points. It says that I have 1,241 free points, and it tells me where the points came from. I did some bonuses earlier today, and I played the supercharge bonus game. So that's the amount of points I was able to get from doing those events. And if you have friends that have joined, you will be able to see the points you got from your friends joining as well. Then when you want to redeem your points, you will go over to the redeem tab, and it will show you how you can redeem your points. You can get a Starbucks card at 5,000 points, so forth and so on. So it's definitely worth it. I don't even have a card link, and I already have 1,241 points. I haven't been getting on this app really at all until today, since I first tried to do it, because I was like, oh, well, it won't be any good to me because I can't link my card. But apparently there's other ways that I can get points. So you'll get $5 worth of points when you use my link to join the app that I'll put into the description box. Then if you go to the top left, you will be able to see your pretty much profile information, or I guess your dashboard. It'll tell you when you join the app. It'll show you any of your linked cards. If you go down to account, it'll show you bonuses that you can receive, bonus points, which is what you saw that I did today, and you saw that I had some points on there from doing them. You can invite your friends. You can enter the invite code that a friend gave you. Or like if you join and you want your $5, but you didn't use my link, you can try to put in my invite code to get your $5. You can also click on get help. You can go to the integrations. You can change your personal details, your phone number, and your notification settings. You can also follow them on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Sign out. You can check out the Drop security, terms of service, and privacy policy as well from this menu. If you click on your points on the top right, it just shows you the breakdown of your points again. You can click on that question mark on the top right, and it will show you support. So if you haven't received points, you would click on that and see what you can do about that. If you want to link your card and you can click on that to read more information about that. If you can't redeem your points, you have an issue with that, anything that you may run into, you should be able to report it through this menu. And that is the entire Drop app. I hope that this video was useful to you and that you will go ahead and sign up for this. It's the holiday season. You're going to be doing some shopping. And even if it wasn't the holiday season, you're going to do some shopping. You're going to spend your money somewhere. And why not try to get cash back from doing things that you normally do? So once again, my name is Ashley. You have been watching Dollars and Cents Online, and I will see you all in the next video. Oh, and how could I forget? Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and send me a message over on my social media accounts and let me know other videos that you'd like to see.